G'day everyone, I'm just going to make a video about solving a problem on my C220 that I have. This is actually my E270, so it's got an extra cylinder on it, but has the same units in the front of it with the fuel, so I changed all these O-rings on this as well. So basically there's a whole heap of O-rings that are going to the high pressure and the low pressure pumps. There's one down the bottom there for the fuel system. This fuel system here has a slightly different unit for the filter, but this still has an O-ring in it. So basically what happens on the C220s is one of these O-rings here leak, but they only leak under vacuum, so all of your fuel runs in your line back down and into the tank, and then you can't start the car. So anything under half a tank, I started getting the car wouldn't start. I'd prime the filter and it'd be good to go, but the whole filter would be empty, which is really strange. I had no leaks. So what happens is the stuff that's in the line causes a vacuum down into the tank, and then you get an air leak on one of these hoses, and it fills the filter full of air and allows all the fuel to run out down into the tank. I took the tank apart, I took all the units out of it, checked them all, they're all fine. A couple of Mercedes techs online said, oh, change the whole tank, change this, change the pumps. Well, there's no pumps in the back. This E270 w203 does have a pump, so I didn't have any problems with this, although I did change the O-rings in them. They were just hard as a rock, and I had one down the bottom that was leaking. So yeah, they're pretty easy to get out. You actually push these in, and then that opens the clips up, and then you pop them out. I think there is 4 per car, so there's 2 here, there's one down the bottom, and there's one in the filter unit. I'm pretty sure off the top of my head that's an 8x2 O-ring, nothing too special, but $2 or $3 worth of O-rings, and I fixed the fuel problem. So just thought I'd share it with everyone. And yeah, these guys here, O-rings, are probably your issue if you have any problems starting under half a tank.